What if there was one single equation, one single math formula from which everything could be figured out? Every atom, every star, every thought. Not just as an idea, not just as a philosophy, but as proven math. For 100 years, physics has had two languages. One describes the very smallest things, atoms, light, quantum stuff. The other describes the very biggest things, gravity, space, and time. But these two languages don't agree, and neither of them can explain why you are conscious, why it feels like being you. The Quantum Blueprint Formalism, QBF for short, by Ma커스이론, solves all three problems with one equation. It all starts with one simple question. What needs to be true for anything to even exist at all? Not atoms, not energy, but structure, order, something instead of nothing. The answer? Exactly three conditions. No more, no less. First, identity. Something has to be able to stay itself. Second, time. There has to be a before and an after. Third, distinguishability. One thing has to be able to be different from another. Without even one of these conditions, no structure, no universe, no consciousness, nothing. This is it, the mother equation. Three parts, three forces, and from them, mathematically proven, everything comes to be. The first part, diffusion, that's openness, the chance for new things to appear. The second part, drift, that's identity, the force that holds structure together. And the third part, circulation, that's time itself, the flow that keeps everything alive. These three forces together, openness, identity, and time, create everything that exists, by themselves, unavoidably. And then something amazing happens. From this one equation, step by step, with strict math, you can figure out the rules of the quantum world. Why space has 3 dimensions and time has 1. Why masses bend space. All the building blocks of nature. Even the invisible 95% of the universe. All from one equation. No extra numbers, no extra guesses. But here's where it gets personal. Because the same equation, the same 3 parts, also describe you. QBF shows mathematically, consciousness is not an accident. It's not just a side effect of neurons. It's its own dynamic state, just as real as gravity or light. And the most amazing thing, the math shows that consciousness isn't tied to a specific material, not to neurons, not to a specific body. When the body stops, consciousness doesn't end. Only a certain way of showing itself ends. The math leaves the door open for something bigger than a single life. One equation, 3 conditions, developed by Ma커스이론. Everything that exists, including you. This is the quantum blueprint.